Only you, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's so sweet. 'Cause I got it. Ooh, love me like you. I'm only you, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face.
Look at my hair, you guys. It's just no moisture at all. So I decided to come up with this mask and see how it'll take in my hair. So this is the shampoo that I'm using. You want to make sure that you first shampoo your hair to make sure your hair is clean from all the dirt and the buildup from your previous style that you had. So you just want to make sure you put all the shampoo in your hair and just rub it in. For the mask, you will need an avocado, some honey, sweet almond oil, an egg, and I highly recommend using fenugreek oil. I made this a few days ago, but you can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, any oil you prefer. So I ended up dividing my hair into 4 sections so I can start putting the mask in my hair. I had to do it this way because I'm currently transitioning and it's just really hard for me to deal with 2 different hair textures, and it gets like tangled really bad. But anyway, yeah, take the mixture like I'm doing and put it in, put it on your hair strands. I would recommend you use gloves because this got very messy as I was doing it, and I actually ended up doing the rest of this off of camera because it just got really messy with it. But yeah, just make sure you put it into, put the mixture um, onto the hair strands. If you want to divide it into 4 sections like I did, you can, which I recommend you do. It just makes it a little bit more easy with the process. But yeah, just continue putting the mixture into the different sections and saturating your hair strands. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a shower cap, clear plastic shower cap, and basically place it over your head. And I'm actually gonna put a towel around it as well so that it really deep conditions my hair because I do have low porosity hair. I didn't want to really put any heat on it, so I figured this just wrapping it in this towel was gonna, be more effective or be somewhat effective. So anyway, yeah, you're gonna wrap it with the towel as well, and you can grab one of these that I bought from. I think I bought this from Amazon. Anyway, you want to grab this, put it on your head, and then we're gonna leave it in our hair for about an hour, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Here is the mask. Rinsed it out. Now my hair feels very soft and smooth. And I was very happy doing this mask on my hair. You guys stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos real soon. Bye, you guys. Take care.